Hello, this is the tutorial for Excel spreadsheet equations using money in a budget sense. Okay, since people are usually paid bi-weekly, we're going to say that this individual was paid on the 12th of January, and then they will get paid on the 26th of January. So for their first paycheck on the 12th, we're going to say that they got $2,000. Okay, but that doesn't say $2,000, that just says 2,000. So we need to change that. So we will click on this, where we just put in our numbers. And we'll come up here and click on this dollar sign, and that will change it to $2,000. And let's see, for their rent that they have to pay, for their apartment, let's say it's about $800. And that doesn't say 800, that just says 800, not $800. I will come back to that and I'll fix it later. I'll show you a quick shortcut to fix everything all at once. For the water bill, let's say they pay $30. Again, I will fix that later. Electricity, let's say about $70. And then for their phone, let's say they don't have to pay it yet. Let's say they pay it later in the month, later during this one. And okay, so now these don't have a money build up, so we're going to change that. So we will select this one over here and press the shift key on your keyboard, press and hold and hold and hold, and then while you're pressing the shift key, click on this one, and it will select all of those. It is highlighted in green and also highlighted in gray inside. And then we will click on the money sign. So then all of these change to money format. All right, and so now we need to find out how much we have left of our paycheck after we pay all the bills. So what we're going to do is we're going to click over here where we want our answer to be. So now it's selected. So now we're going to come up here to the formula bar. The formula bar is just a longer way to look at everything, every equation inside the box. So we will press equals. Always press equals before you put an equation in. It is very important. Now we will say, okay, what we start with, okay, so our column is B and our row is 2. Okay, so if we just click on that, we should just get that box. And then, so we need to take out the rent from our paycheck. So then we will type minus, and then we can click on that one. And then we take out our rent and then press minus again on your keyboard. Click that one, minus again, and minus again. And here we have our equation. See, they lit up and the colors correspond to which one it is in the equation. Okay, now to finish it up, let's press enter. Okay, that's pretty cool. See, it changes. Up here, we still have our equation in the formula bar. Down here, we have our answer, which is super cool. That's why I like doing it in an Excel. It's really nice. Really fast, I also wanted to show you how to select the boxes in another way. So here I selected the post bills, the answer we just got. I'm going to delete the formula. Boom, gone. Bye-bye. So what else we can do is we can type in where it is. So I'm going to type B2, where that one is, and then minus, and it won't light up. Oh, that's what I forgot. I forgot to do the equal sign. Equals B2. See, that is what will happen if you don't put in your equal sign. Equals B2 minus C2 minus D2 minus E2 minus F2, and then enter equals, you get the same exact equation. Thank you so much for watching.